Cardano price right now is $1.13, with a 24-hour trading volume of $5.12 billion, market cap of $35.63 billion, and market dominance of 1.78%. The ADA price increased 15.68% in the last 24 hours. Cardano reached its highest price on September 2, 2021 when it was trading at its all-time high of $3.10. The lowest price since its ADH was $0.749 cycle low. The highest ADA price since the last cycle low was $1.15 cycle high. The Cardano price prediction sentiment is currently bullish. Cardano's current circulating supply is 31.46 B, ADA out of max supply of 45.00 B ADA. In terms of market cap, Cardano is currently ranked 1 in the proof-of-stake sector. According to our current Cardano price prediction, the value of Cardano will rise by 3.99% and reach $1.18 by March 29, 2022. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is neutral, while the fear and greed index is showing fear. Cardano recorded 47% green days with 7.32% price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on our Cardano forecast, it's now a good time to buy Cardano. Based on today's classical pivot point, with the value of $1.06, Cardano has support levels of $1.01, $0.909005, and the strongest at $0.859420. Similarly, Cardano resistance levels are at $1.16, $1.21, and $1.31. To get a better idea of what could happen to the Cardano price in the future, it's helpful to also explore Cardano's price history. In the last month, the ADA-USD pair is up 20.15%. The one-year performance of ADA-USD is minus 1.14%. Cardano price has gained enough bullish pressure to break through the psychological $1 resistance barrier. This is the first time in over a month that ADA is able to overcome such a significant hurdle, allowing it to gain a lot of attention from market participants. Still, the so-called Ethereum killer could be bound for a brief correction before it advances further. The bearish formation developed as a green 9 candlestick, which is indicative of a 1 to 4 daily candlesticks retracement before the uptrend resumes. A spike in profit-taking could help validate the short-term pessimistic outlook, pushing Cardano price to 98 cents or even 96 cents. Despite the short-term bearish thesis that the TD setup presents for Cardano price, there are a few indicators that point to further gains on the horizon. Watch the video below to understand what may invalidate the sell signal on ADA's daily chart and what could be the next bullish target. Cardano is making a long-term bottom similar to the one it made in January of 2021. If Cardano holds above a support at 1.03, then ADA can easily travel to the next resistance point at 1.17, he stated. Cardano seems to be shifting from base building to trending. If ADA continues to rally, 1.45 may be the next big picture objective. ADA maximalists would need to see ADA above that level in order to discuss an upside target above $3. After finding support at 0.78, ADA-USD has risen almost 40%, breaching the strong psychological resistance of 1.00, he stated. ADA is finding resistance at 1.08, which is also a golden pocket from the lows of March 2020. If the digital asset can break through this accumulation of selling interest, it will probably encounter its next area of major resistance at $1.56. However, should it fall back, it will encounter key support at the 0.702 Fibonacci level coming in at 0.93. Biggest factor driving this price movement is that Cardano just saw a big influx of tokens into staking pools, he stated. Once traders saw this influx, they appeared to have started buying in relatively large numbers. Naturally, the price surged and might continue to do so if this apparent micro-rally continues. That being said, there is always the question about the use cases available on the Cardano network. After all, it's been slow to implement smart contract utility, and so questions abound about whether it can keep up with such competitors as Solana, Avalanche, and Terra. It's noted. If Cardano network doesn't experience much demand because of a relative lack of utility, then it's safe to say that price action for $ADA could easily go south.